In this video, we will show you how to exchange the spindle unit of your E4. The spindle unit consists of the spindle including the collet chuck and the collet chuck release unit including the cable. Have the following items ready: a spare spindle unit, and the provided 1.5 Nm torque screwdriver with the TX20 bit. Switch off the machine at the main power switch. Disconnect the machine from all lines. Remove the service cover. We provide a video on this topic. Loosen the spindle cable by manually turning the knurled nut anti-clockwise. Unplug the spindle cable from the spindle connector. Remove the collet chuck release unit cable. Push both mounting clips on the connector and pull the connector out of the socket. Loosen the fixing screw with the torque screwdriver. Do not unscrew the screw completely. Push the cable harness aside. Remove the spindle unit by pulling it upwards out of the spindle holder. Take the spare spindle unit and find the positioning pin opening. Turn the spindle unit so that the positioning opening is located at the rear left. Insert the spare spindle unit into the spindle holder from above. Notice: make sure that the cooling liquid hose is not damaged. Align the positioning hole in the spindle with the positioning pin on the spindle holder. Gently push the spindle down, paying attention to the spindle height indicator. Once you have pushed the spindle down sufficiently, you will see the green ring on the spindle height indicator. Tighten the screw to fix the spindle using the torque screwdriver. Plug the spindle cable into the spindle connector. Tighten the spindle cable by manually turning the knurled nut clockwise. Insert the collet chuck release unit cable into the corresponding connector in the machine. Mount the service cover. We provide a video on this topic. Switch on the machine at the main power switch. Start Dental CNC. Mark the following entry in the maintenance section as complete. Exchanging the spindle unit. This will keep your list up to date. Mill a test specimen and calibrate the machine as necessary. We provide a video on this topic. Contact customer service and have the spindle operating hours reset. For the complete operating instructions, visit dentalportal.info/E4. We hope that this was helpful. Thank you for watching.